Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Quranic Education. In today's video, we will be discussing the first 4 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah, the second chapter of the Quran. These verses are crucial in understanding the foundation of Islam and its teachings. The first verse begins with the mysterious letters, Alif, Lam, Mim. These letters are known as muqatta'i circumflex inverted question mark at. Their exact meaning is known only to Allah, and they are part of the divine wisdom that reminds us of the Quran's divine nature and the mysteries within it. In the second verse, Allah states, "This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those conscious of Allah." Here, Allah confirms that the Quran is a book of absolute certainty and truth, with no room for doubt. It serves as a guidance for those who are muttaqeen, of the ones who are conscious and fearful of Allah, striving to live according to His commands. The third verse highlights the qualities of the muttaqeen, who believe in the unseen, establish prayer, and spend out of what we have provided for them. These are the core actions of a believer: faith in the unseen, like the angels, the Day of Judgment, and Allah's decree, regular prayer, and giving charity from what Allah has blessed them with. These actions build a deeper connection with Allah. The fourth verse explains further, "And who believe in what was revealed to you, O Muhammad, and what was revealed before you, and of the hereafter, they are certain." The true believers also have faith in all the previous scriptures sent by Allah, like the Torah, Psalms, and Gospel along with the Quran. They are certain about the life after death and the reality of the hereafter. So, in these first 4 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah, we see the qualities of the true believers: to those who have faith in the unseen, pray, give charity, and believe in all of Allah's revelations. These characteristics form the foundation of a righteous life in Islam. If you found this explanation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English Quranic Education. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss any future lessons. Jazakumullah khair, and see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.